Hey guys, so in today's video I will show you how you can turn yourself invisible in Roblox super easy. Okay, so of course for this to work you need to buy some items, and these items are classic cowsuit, black fancy prom dress, Roblox gray sneakers, and from characters we will buy Nick Bass and the Nomsky brothers. But of course, buying these items is not enough, so for this to work properly we need to put them in a certain order. First of all, we will do Nick Base. We will change our legs to the gnome legs. We will put on the cow suit, then the prom dress. For last touches, we will do the gray sneakers. And for our head, any head works, but of course if it's small, it's better. And if you have the headless head, it's even better. With this build, the cow costume technically goes under the map as a glitch, so you mostly look invisible, and of course your movement shows a little, but basically while standing still you are invisible. I hope this video helped you guys. If you have any questions you can ask them in the comment section, but for any other purposes, have a great day and goodbye.